We're going that way? It's a fucking... Wow, maybe I don't cuss in the first 2 seconds. Can you guys believe we're actually doing a fishing video? I still don't believe it. I'm out here doing it and I don't believe it. Alec, Northwest Fishing.
We back.
We out here doing what we used to do a lot, which is fish. Dude, this is my actually first time going out trying to like fish for reals this year. And it's mid-June. We are fishing out here today in Alec's neighborhood. But this is just a pit stop along the way because we are taking off after this. We are going to go see a little band. Some people might call it the greatest and best band in the world. I do myself. Do you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's because they are, baby. We're gonna go to Bend to go see Tenacious D. That was a big ass carp. Anyways, guys, wish us luck.
I think he's excited.
Yeah, my boner hasn't fucking gone down since Saturday. I was telling Alec for multiple reasons. Number one being seeing him because I miss his face. But anyways, guys, wish us luck. I'm gonna put this shit down because I want to look at the water. I'm gonna throw a drop shot. Got him. Got him. How's he feel? There we go. There we go. Sheesh.
Where's bass in it? Tongue hook.
I gotta get a pic. Shit. Woohoo.
First bass of the morning, let's go.
Dude, it looks nice. It looks good, buddy.
We'll hit Bend, hang out, and then in the morning we're gonna go hit some eastern lakes, see if we can get some small ones. So it's gonna be a freaking fun day. So come along, let's go. I just love me a good fish.
Got him.
Yeah, buddy. Let's go, baby.
Woo! Yeah. It's small, but I get excited, bro. First actual decent fish of the year. I had caught my first bass of the year yesterday with my son, but that doesn't count. We're gonna count this one as the first one of the year. Right there, baby.
Little greenback. First time in Eugene fishing.
This is my first Eugene fish ever. Right here.
Awesome.
With my boy.
Oh, and it's up.
Nope, he's off.
All right. Well,
It's all part of my plan. That's, you know what I mean? It was like, if I drop him here, he'll be fine and swim that way, so.
we didn't want pictures in.
Execution, yeah, no. It's because I'm going to get the bigger one that was actually back there, so. Let's get it. Jesus Christ. Next spot. First spot proved to be successful, baby.
One each.
One each. Yours is pretty. Well, how would you guesstimate yours weight-wise? Like
1.5.
Yeah, 1.5. Mine was maybe a pound before it got dropped off. We're gonna check out this one last spot before we hit the road. I only brought 2 rods. I only brought a T-rig and a drop shot. My fish came off of a drop shot. His came off of a weightless Senko.
Hell yeah, brother.
So let's go get it, baby. All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. We're gonna catch a fish tomorrow. Tenacious D, baby. All right.
Do it, man.
We made it, baby. Would you consider this our first spot or our second spot?
Second.
Okay, so this is our second spot. The first spot we went to, we found online, and it looked private because of, it looks public because of all the reviews online. Online it looked public, but then we pulled up and it was definitely not public, unfortunately. So we moved down here to this reservoir, which is for sure public. good buddy Evan said he's been here before and caught fish here before. So there's fishing here. So they say.
We'll find out.
We left the hotel. We ate some sandwiches. We left some turds at the gas station, and now we're here. It's been such a freaking great trip so far. Last night, TENACIOUS D, and then we pretty much made Jack Black our best friend. So yeah, Jack Black's gonna be on the podcast pretty soon. He's gonna official member of the Backlash Boys and all that stuff. So wish us luck, everybody. Taste to the east. I'll go down there with you. Starting off here with the drop shot, boys. Okay, so worms here. Oh, I got a bite. I just got a freaking bite. Yes, sir. Didn't feel very big, but it was a bite.
Crap. Crap lappies.
Oh,
Not bad.
had a bite. Thing is, my bites are from right here. There we go. Fish.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Well, not the one we're after.
Oh my god.
There we go, guys.
It's gonna be that tiny.
Smallmouth. Oh, you bitch. Yeah. Two. That's the same damn fish. Fish. They are not big. Not big at all, my friend. We moved spots, as you can obviously say. We made it to Primeville. It's lower than my credit score. I'm just bringing one rod with us, with me. You got just the one too, huh?
Yep.
There. Drop shot seems to be the way to go, at least at the last spot. It's really low here. I don't want to be hauling a dick load of rods around, so we just brought the drop shot rod. Yeah, wish us luck. This is my first time here at Primeville.
Dude, it's pretty.
It's pretty as hell.
Love it.
R.I.P. to all the dead bunnies we saw on the way over here, though. Let's get it, boys. Whoop. Seems like water's usually all the way up here, huh? We can start off here on this point, actually. You're gonna do an update? You're gonna do a little update on the plantation? First cast. Drop shotting it.
Let's hope there's bigger fish.
Ooh.
Good one too.
Ooh. There we go.
First cast. First cast. Let's go.
Hell yeah, buddy.
Nothing to write home about, but
Oh, doubled up.
oh, monster's on.
I was literally burning it in to recast.
Hell yeah.
Boom. Whoa. It's a PM. Yeah, baby. Right here too. Where'd it? And He got it. He'll be good. Yeah. Right there, buddy. Sure, you came here first. Different colored drop shots. Alec caught his on purple. Mine's this kind of KVD. I don't know what exact color it is, but it's like dirt mixed with green flake.
I didn't want to say we should have gone.
Those two fish that we just caught equal the same amount of poundage of all the fish we caught over there. We are laying into them over here, baby. Drop shot, doesn't seem to matter what color. Oh,
The tension shot it right out of the water.
jeez. We're gonna move on down, try some other shoreline. They just seem to be everywhere. We're hoping to, was that your cast?
Yeah.
Okay. They just seem to be everywhere. Just hoping to maybe plug into some bigger ones. But let's keep getting them. It's pretty snagalicious, but it is also abundant in smilacious. Smilacious basacios. There it is. See what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying, folks? This is kind of what I'm talking about right here. And I just changed the drop shot colors to something stupid. It wasn't that stupid, it was actually pretty cool colors. This kind of prism shad blue color. But it is literally like lights out fishing. Haven't done a whole lot of fishing this year, so a day like this is nice. Back to back to back to back to back.
Ready for the double up? 3, 2.
Your line's tightening. Nope. Oh, he's got chasers right here, dude. He's got, bro. They're literally fighting over it. Dude. Oh, he flying off my weight, that little turd. I just know the visibility is gonna be so poor. Oh. Shaboom, bam, bam. Just like that. So freaking pretty, sand. Look.
Fatty.
Uh.
3, 2.
I'll check your shorts after that one. There's a better one. Check that out. That's the best one all day so far for me. Woo! It ain't huge, but they're fun as hell. See you later, baby. Oh, belly flap. Woo! All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this episode. Freaking kick-ass couple of days, man. I really couldn't ask for really anything more. This is how you kick off summer the right way, my friends. I guess the fish could have been a little bigger, but that's just me being greedy, you know what I'm saying? Like, even though here at Prineville we caught a couple of pounders, I'm gonna be out of breath walking up this way. Look, dude, just check out the scenery too. I'm sorry for the wind, it's kind of windy. I don't got any sleeves or... Didn't you used to have a GoPro with the...
I don't know where it went.
But anyways, guys, make sure you guys check out Alec. Link it down in the description below. Northwest Fishing, not Northwest Fishing Secrets. That's something else. But yeah, guys, shout out Joel. He was there with us. We never saw him. We stayed at the hotel. Never saw him. He sniffed us out though. Shout out JB and KG, dude. Fucking shout out the chick at Dutch Bros who said go to Prineville because it's bass after bass, and she was not lying. So I didn't catch her name, but shout out chick in Bend. That's what it was. We're in Prineville. We're in Bend. So yeah, we're gonna start heading up. I stopped so I wasn't super out of breath walking because I'm in the best shape of my life. Oh, they are everywhere. Oh, I almost made it through the whole day without any, what are they called? Burrs. Bill Burr. God damn it. All right then, guys, until next time, tight lines and take care of yourselves. Peace out, y'all.
He asked us, be you angels? And we said, nay, we are the men.
Smells really good. Yeah. Welcome to Oregon, right?
JB.
Yeah. Glad to have you back.
Kick-ass show, man.
Eat my after show food. Oh yeah, you got it?
Hell yeah, bro.
Hell yeah, bro. We did it.
Wait.
Ow!
15 years of intro. Yeah, buddy.
Hell yeah.
Hey, thanks a lot, JB. Have a good night, bro.
Thanks,